So over here on the timeline section, you can see that I have some tracks right here. So there's an audio track right here. So let me just go around and resize this right here. So if I were to right click and click on new video track, then a new video track will be added up over here. So let me just go around and add in a new audio track as well. And there you go. So if I were to go around over here, you can see there's a video track right here. So let me just go around, add in another video track as well. And this is what you have. So if you want to go around and then change out the track size, then you can go around, right click, and over here you can see track size is an option. So usually when you want to see more information about a certain track, you may want to change the track size. And for that, you can go around, right click, and go to track size and change it to mini to actually go around and make it smaller, as you can see, or you can make it large right here so that more area is covered up, as you can see in this particular track. Let me just go around and resize this, and this is what you have, as you can see. You can go around over here and change the track size to medium, and you can change the track size to small as well. What you can also do is you can go around over here onto another track right here and change it to mini right from over here as well. You can go around over here, select this, as you can see right here, and then work around with the track size just like this and change around the track size to whatever size you want, just like that. So hope you guys learned something as always, and as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.